I think that people generally try to, follow the community guidelines or the rules of the trails or whatever. And here in Millcreek, there's a rule about not riding your bike on this trail on odd days. There's another rule that you can see here on this sign that says, please clean up after your pet. And one of my pet peeves is when people put the poop from their animals in a bag, tie it up, and leave it on the trail. It is so annoying. This is Eric with RideLabs, and today I'm going to ride Milcreek on my fat bike. And you need to remember, you can only come here on even days to ride your bike. Do not come on odd days. The canyon is closed to bikes on odd days. I don't understand why people leave bags of dog poo on the trail. Don't get it. There's another one. Yeah, that one they hung from a tree. That helps. So the dog poo picker-uppers can come get it later. I don't know. I don't ride this canyon much. Maybe that's someone's job. I just think it's weird. Pack it in, pack it out, folks. There's a good one. They sneakily hid this one on the sign. Okay. Clever. For what purpose does it hang there? Just saw another one. Yay. This one's brightly colored, so you can spot it. There's a nice one. That one blends in with the snow. The camouflage bag style. If you don't want to get caught. There's another one. It's a real trendy thing to do here in Millcreek. Dog poop bag heaven. Elevation 7,600. So just like you want people to follow the bike guidelines and not ride on odd days, I hope that you'll go ahead and pick up the mess from your animals and pack it out, because it's pretty annoying to see it there hanging from signs and trees and in the snow. Thanks for watching.